bank, listened to Cole, Jerry, Reed, and Hank. A bear of a man hardly left the woods. A 6'4" solid rock when he stood. He'd hunt with a hatchet in his own bare hands. Refused welfare, only lived off the land. Drove an 87 Dodge, straight pipes out the back. Stocked his house with whitetail raps. He's a rebel, a redneck. Grew up in the sticks, a standard American songboom. His shirt says Val, but his real name's Fred. Got grease on his hands and sweat on his head. Pants soiled black and arms all scarred. Knuckles more busted than his credit card. Spends weekdays working under the hood. He's got mouths to feed and he knows he should.
Well, opening day of turkey season was finally here in Iowa, and in the past, it's kind of become tradition. I always take my dad out and film for him and guide for him and hunt with him during first season. This year I decided that I would get a tag too, and me and him would just hunt together. So, day before season, I get my gun out, we go out, pattern it one last time, make sure I'm all dialed in, shoot his gun, and we head out together first day. First morning didn't turn out quite how we had hoped, and I had to actually get to work, and so he ended up going to work. We both went to work. I hunted some Monday afternoon, so I had went out the evening of the first day of season and didn't have any luck hunting, but was actually able to roost one turkey. So the next morning my dad picked me up and we started headed out to that property. We got about halfway there and he brought up the fact that we haven't hunted this new lease that I have access to, and maybe we should give that a try. So I said, you know what, let's make the turn here and let's go try it. This was a property that I had never turkey hunted before, and I'm always excited to turkey hunt new properties. As you're about to see, things went pretty well for us on the second morning here in Iowa.
Yeah,
We did it.
we did it.
Yeah. Hey,
Hey,
what do you think?
all right, man. This was fun.
That was awesome,
This
man.
was fun. All right, our first double together.
I know. I'm real proud of that.
Oh, man. That was cool. Oh, that was fun. Yeah. Woo. Probably 3/4, 7/8 spurs. What's yours?
Inch anyway.
Well, maybe. Yeah, maybe these are an
These are
inch.
probably 7/8 to an inch. These might be a little over. A
Yeah.
couple 3-year-olds, I'd say.
Decent beard. These are probably twins.
Well, they were definitely the bosses out here.
Yeah,
Man, that was a blast.
that was fun.
That was a
Hunting
lot of
don't
fun.
get any better than that.
No, it doesn't.
That was good. Yeah.
Something that I've always wanted to do since the first day we ever turkey hunted, which is this is our 17th season hunting together, and I've always wanted to double with you, and to finally be able to do it and to get the whole thing on camera to be able to relive
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, this was fun.
It was.
Yeah.
They couldn't have done any better. They were roosted. There's a river right here, and they were all roosted on the other side of the river this morning, and they must have flown across. I don't think they flew across right off the roost. These two might have down further. That first one that came out here, I'm pretty sure he was roosted right here. He's the one that was real close to us here, but on the
Yeah.
other side of the river, and flew down. He ended up coming across, and I just kept calling lightly. I got Deadly Attractions aluminum pot call is what I was running, along with their ghost cut diaphragm, and man, it did the trick. Brought him out into this field, and then, you can see on the video, once I called to them, they came right in on a string. So these two came out and chased that other tom off first, and
Yeah.
so
We
Couldn't-
thought we were going to get one to come
Yeah.
in, and these two came and chased him off.
well, the plan was for Dad to shoot, and I was just gonna film it, but I brought my gun just in case. This is first season here in Iowa, and it's only 4 days long, so I figured I got my tag, I might as well have a gun along just in case something like this happened, and it literally couldn't have played out any better
No.
for us. So, this is awesome. So
Yeah.
Primal Drive crew is headed off to Missouri next, so we'll be leaving in a couple days from Missouri, and I'd say Turkey Tour 2017 is off to a hot start, so stay tuned.